Rooster on guard, rooster on guard. Yes, folks. I believe I hired me a good heifer there. He said he'd work real cheap, just some good, fine land mash or something would work out all right for him. He said that's the latest type food, but he said, I like it. So there you go. I got a rooster in charge, and he said he would crow like crazy and get all the roosters in there and hit him if he ever seen any sign of any kind of trouble. How about that? So I'm gonna try him out for a week or two and just see what he can do. Rooster on stage, and let the rooster take over and see what he will do. See you folks later. I'm out of here. For some reason, I got fried chicken on my mind.